Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the steps to create a Windows 11 virtual machine on VMware Workstation that meets all the system requirements including TPM and Secure Boot. Starting with Windows 11, whether you install the new OS on a physical or virtual machine, the device must meet the minimum system requirements including having a supported processor, the amount of at least 64 gigabytes of storage, 4 gigs of RAM, and you also need to have TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot enabled. If you use VMware Workstation, you can easily create a VM that meets all the requirements to install Windows 11. And here's how. First, open VMware Workstation, click on File, and select the New Virtual Machine option. Then select the Custom option and click Next. Select the latest version of VMware that you have. In my case, it's Workstation 16, and then click Next. On this page, select the I will install the operating system later option and then click Next. For the guest operating system, select Microsoft Windows, and for the version on VMware Workstation, the latest version that you can select is Windows 10 x64, and that is what we're going to select. And then click Next. Specify a name for the virtual machine and select the location where to store the virtual machine. And then click Next. Select the UEFI option and make sure to check the Secure Boot option. And then click Next. Windows 11 requires at least 2 cores to run the operating system, so you can leave this as it is, or you can choose as many cores that your processor can handle. I'm just going to select 4 and then click Next. You only need 4 gigabytes of RAM, so you can select it right here, but you can go beyond that. I'm just going to select, for the purpose of this video, 8 gigabytes and then click Next. For the networking option, you can choose whatever fits your situation. I usually prefer just to use a bridge networking to connect the virtual machine straight to the network, and then click Next. I'm just going to leave the default option right here, and then I'm going to click Next. Select your virtual disk type, and for my case I'm going to use the NVMe option, but you can also use SATA or other ones. But SATA or NVMe, that will be the recommended option. Then click Next. Now we're going to create a new virtual disk, and we're going to click Next. Windows 11 requires at least 64 gigabytes of storage, so I'm going to type 70 just to give it a little more. And then I'm going to leave all the default settings. And then I'm going to click Next. And then click Next. And now click Finished. So we just created a virtual machine that has UEFI and Secure Boot enabled, but we still need to configure TPM. And to do that, select the virtual machine and then click the Edit Virtual Machine Settings option. Then click on Options and select the Access Control option. And in here we need to encrypt the drive in order for the TPM option to be available for the virtual machine. And here we're just going to click the encrypt button. Specify a password for the encryption. And then click the encrypt button. It doesn't take too much time because the drive is empty, but if you were updating a virtual machine that has an OS installed on it, it might take a long time. Now go back to the hardware tab and then click the add button, and in here select the trusted platform module option, which is the TPM option, and then click finish. And now we're gonna click OK. And that's it. You just created a virtual machine on VMware Workstation to install Windows 11. Remember to like the video, share it, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.